Alright, I got my pork butt here. I already got my settings hooked up to the mediator app. And it says to keep sticking in the thickest part, which is probably going to be this side. Alright. Put it in the barbecue pit and let it cook. As you can see, the temperatures. Internal temperature is 44 degrees right now, and the ambient temperature is 220 degrees. It's doing good. Wrap it already. I'm gonna wrap it for about 2 hours. It's been cooking for about 3 hours smoking. I'm gonna inject it with some apple cider vinegar and water. The internal temperature is 152. The ambient is 245. It's been cooking for 4.5 hours. And supposedly it has 3 hours and 17 minutes remaining to reach 203 degrees. But I think it'll probably be shorter than that. Right now it's got an internal temperature of 171 degrees. The ambient temperature is 286. It's been cooking for 5 hours and 22 minutes. And supposedly it has an hour and 1 minute remaining. But we'll see how accurate this is. It's ready. Look at that. First time using the thermometer, the meteor. Let's cut into this thing. Nice and moist.